What up, clubbers? Welcome to my clubhouse. Today we're going to be doing another toy review, so let's get started. Whoa! WWE the WUBBLE. I said that one. Tongue twister. WUBBLE Rumblers. WWE Superstars. So cool. Roman Reigns is one of my favorites. Randy Orton. Let's get started. I have 2 WUBBLE Rumblers, so I might need some help.
From the makers of Super WUBBLE Bubble Ball, WUBBLE Rumblers are squishy, super soft, and way more elastic than typical inflatables. WUBBLE Rumblers are designed to be whackable and smackable. They have a super soft self-sealing valve, so you can never get hit by a hard plastic part. Because of the soft valve, they may lose some air during play. If they begin deflating, just top off the air and keep on wobbling and bopping. Make sure you put the pump nozzle in the right way. It tells you how to do it on the Rumbler. Battle it out with the WUBBLE Rumblers WWE Superstars. Enjoy hours of adrenaline-pumping, body-slamming fun as you unleash your inner WWE superstar.
Now it's time to lay the smackdown. Acknowledge me.
It's the 3 most dangerous letters in wrestling today. R-K-O.
Whack 'em, smack 'em, bop 'em, and chop 'em. WUBBLE Rumblers are made for good old rough and tumbling fun. They're the ultimate accessory for play fighting. Inflated minutes with the enclosed air pump. Enjoy hours of big bopping fun as you get your rumble on.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to get these cool toys, go to Target, and the moral of the story is that I won. Acknowledge me. 2 fingers in the air. A piece. Talk to you later.
Make sure you collect all 6 so you can create your own legendary matches and squash your opponents.